Unlock efficiency with a globally recognized certification. Introducing the APQC Certified Process Manager course, featuring extended learning opportunities with SAP. Gain a comprehensive understanding of process management with APQC's 7 Tenets of Process Management and Process Analysis and Design Methodology. This course is designed for professionals managing business processes, process owners, managers, SAP practitioners who want to enhance their capabilities. Key learning outcomes include defining responsibilities of an operational process manager and leading process improvement initiatives. This special course includes exclusive SAP-hosted sessions to explore how SAP tools support process excellence. Dive into SAP best practice processes and learn how to analyze and redesign processes effectively. Don't miss this opportunity to become a certified process manager. Join us in Dubai, UAE, November 17-20, 2025. Visit the APQC website to register now.